Welcome to the world of possibilities, a place where passion meets purpose. Nehru Group of Institutions, a legacy that has shaped minds and transformed futures for over 56 glorious years. From humble beginnings to a powerful educational force, NGI today proudly stands tall with 25 plus institutions, 20,000 plus vibrant students, and a global alumni network of over 1 lakh achievers. This isn't just a number, it's a movement of knowledge, innovation, and inspiration. Guided by the dynamic vision of our chairman, Advocate Dr. P. Krishnadas, Honorary Trade Commissioner of Mauritius to India, and our esteemed CEO and Secretary of Nehru Group of Institutions, Dr. P. Krishna Kumar, is committed to nurturing the leaders, creators, and change makers of tomorrow. From kindergarten to PhD, we offer 80 plus courses. NGI is just not a group of institutions, it is a universe of opportunities under one roof. With autonomous status and prestigious NAC and NBA accreditations, our academic excellence is nationally recognized. But what truly sets us apart is the care and commitment we extend to every student and every parent, a support system that stays with you throughout your journey. Explore the sciences, dive into the technology, express your creativity, take off with aviation, care for lives in medicine, defend justice through law, or simply follow your passion, because at NGI, every dream has a direction. From our premier schools to colleges of medicine, design, engineering, aeronautics, architecture, health sciences, management, nursing, law, arts, and more, we are your launchpad to the future. Let us explore the academic streams at Nehru Group of Institutions. Commerce stream. Explore a wide range of career-oriented programs including BSc, BBA, BBM, BA, BCA, BLM, BFA and BEd, along with specialized courses like BBA in Airline and Airport Management, designed to equip you with skills for the dynamic global marketplace. Science stream. Shape your future in the medical and healthcare domain with programs such as MBBS, BDS, Ayurveda, Homeopathy, Siddha, Physiotherapy and Health Sciences. Expand your expertise through paramedical sciences and pharmacy, laying a strong foundation for service and innovation in healthcare. For the physics, chemistry, maths stream, pursue cutting-edge programs in BTech or BE, specializing in fields like robotics, computer science, food technology, biomedical engineering, chemical engineering, architecture, agriculture, and AI and data science. Aviation enthusiasts can explore specialized degrees such as BSc in Aircraft Maintenance Science, BSc in Aeronautical Science, and Aircraft Maintenance Engineering, preparing you for high-flying careers. Interdisciplinary and creative programs, which is open to all streams. Unleash your creativity and curiosity with programs like BDes in Interior Design, Catering Science, Costume Design and Fashion, Visual Communication, and Psychology, where innovation meets imagination. Beyond classrooms, learning is a holistic journey that extends far beyond textbooks at Nehru Group of Institutions. Sports and fitness are actively promoted to ensure physical well-being and team spirit among students. Culturals play a vital role in campus life with vibrant fests and creative clubs providing a stage for every imagination. Competitions in technical, management, and artistic fields empower students to showcase their talents and gain real-world exposure. Placements are strengthened through industry-focused training and strong corporate collaborations, ensuring students are career-ready. And with dedicated mentoring, global education is within reach as we guide aspiring students towards higher educations abroad through expert support and alumni connections. So, if you are searching for a place where learning meets life and potential meets progress, welcome to Nehru Group of Institutions, one place to explore all your dreams, where your future doesn't just begin, it takes flight.